24th of June 2021. Here's Kalastajanmäki, Fiskarbacken 10, take a C here in Matinkylä, Matby, Espoo, Helsinki, Espoo's region. In Uusi-Maniland, Finland. This was also built in late 1989 with Kone fixtures, finished in 1990. The serial number is H65873 and there are sound floors here. It will be inspected in next year, 2022. And let's try it. There is time for only one ride. You can press that down button.
Yeah. Expected parking expectant maintained price promise. This voice has updated at least elevator at staircase D.
Yeah. There's the sticker in both official languages here, in Swedish and Finnish in this tag, as you can see there.
Yeah.
It's right here. Maybe thanks to some Swedish speaking things in this feast.
That's
That's it.